Hello everyone, Grandpa here. Since Valentine's Day is coming up, I thought I would show you how to fold a cloth napkin to make it into a heart. This heart napkin will help make your table very festive. Our first step in making our heart-shaped napkin is to have a flat napkin laid out on a table. Then we take the bottom of the napkin and fold it up to the top. Then we take the top and bring it down to the bottom, but not all the way. Now we're going to take our right side and fold it up at a diagonal. Take the other side and fold it up to match the other diagonal. Now we're going to take our upper right corner and fold it under. And take the inside and fold that under. Looks like that. Now we work on the left side. We fold the inside corner under, and then we do the outside corner. You gotta have a napkin so you can make crisp creases on it to hold the shape. And this is how we make our simple heart-shaped napkin.